Hi, it's me. I'm still at the office and I'm planning on our meeting for in the morning. I was so excited. I just had to tell you that they sent our numbers for this month, and between December 1st and today, we're at 245% of this time last year. So it's just incredible seeing you guys do so well this year. And congratulations. That's hard work. No, most people are slowing down and you guys are kicking it in. So anyway, tomorrow morning, 9:30 is our sales meeting. We're going to cover some violations about KREC notes that they had, and not just here, I mean all over the city, but the most common violations, so we can talk about them. And they're very common in Missouri too, so we're going to see if we can mesh them over. Also, we're going to show some fun pictures from the Christmas party last week. Thank you for those that got to attend. And then also for the installation for Dan O'Neill. Congratulations, Dan. You're going to make us all proud. You already do. I will see you all bright and early at 9:30. And put your thinking caps on. We're going to have some fun. Have a good evening and be safe.